ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loomso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
The St. Joseph Services invites admission for MBBS in India and abroad. For more details, contact 94361 19558. Menteri Rangba Jongka Jelna Konrad Kongkel Sangma Hagakat Santarik Upunai Naiwing Arajar Arpuway Ulah Hier Shandongston Ban Yakendo Kerpang Ya Kinong Rep Jongka West Khasi Hills District Negabenta Ban Ai Jingera Pisa Shakikinhon Penmi Marrep Lingba Ka Scheme Farmers Collectivization for Upscaling of Production and Marketing System Nega Focus Lingba ganika scheme nagalyang jong ka sarkar jilla kalambangru hado kumba arspa aklor tingka nagabentaban ajing yarap shikinong rep hapo ganika jilla kiba penmi yaki marrep ban an samang pisaru hado san hajar tingka ban yarap pisa yo uway po uway unong rep Hagani gajinya lang kabalalong ha Bishops Hall Nongston lay don lang UMLA jong ka Nongston constituency uba Macmillan Bersat ki head officer ki nongrep na keleng ki jaka bat kiway
Pinongrep teng ya form ya kita self help group teng ya pagkam baklan nagagentin self help group kakla kumban SELL Self-Help Group Bagi di Kemal Teng-teng na lang iyo Ingin ko isihan Paska hajing siya Bagi di Kemal Nagap-taka-taka program Bangi day Ban pendray kam Henry nila Pun kambat lang Si giway pat Ibentang Bagi niya bet no Ya giway pat Ibentang Bun Naring jungi Ipay pa Habang iyo Ini harap nagsoka Hagwilay Biskim no bet Giway pat iskim Hajaka Pun kamhok Pun kata iskim Iya dia kembali kehidupan di bawah yang nostal. Niom bapak aji era, ya kita web dari kehok. Kita nanti pakai hok bata, security dia berjaya. Right and responsibility dia berjaya. Kaya kapag piliong, kaya kapag pilihan, kaya mandor biji mentoy jadi mereka. Kaya kapag ngingilai. Maka kapag ngingilay, kaya bantuan biji mentoy, nakatiwipan. Nagaya ko yung mga sumang ito ibigin ng rep. Baka so kami kita di publik alay na po kajiyalam. Yung konat sama kong isip na sa padol luang mo yun. Ngiratray ito ang nila pakat. Hagi ni license tam. Nila po siyang kapag-iibigam. Haman di konsusi. Larbiong, kinanti kisingki kisubak. Larbiong di umba-umbi. Larbiong di education department. Baru bahaya di school. Baru akan climb di college pagi district. Mila deh. Larbi ten. Jadi nomor. Kaso kami dia kan punut kumba aspatlur. Nakata banai jingirap jadi nomor hak jelam ini. Bagi form Ila bicara kikan hun penmi magat pion e-commerce producers group. Dan negara cuma ngasih beriware ini, ngasih berbentuk ini, ngidon kami di kami.
Friends, I won't take much time. I think before me, our honorable MLA has already explained to all of you the purpose of today's program. And as you are aware that we will be distributing checks to different producer groups. Now, why did we do this? I just want to explain in 2 minutes why we felt that this program was necessary. 2 reasons. Number 1 is because during COVID time, the society as a whole has suffered. And obviously, the people, the general public who are dependent on their day-to-day activity for their livelihood have suffered the most. So as a government, we felt that we need to do something for this section of society. And 75% of them are producers and, more importantly, farmers. We have calculated that approximately 4.5 lakh families are there who are in one way or the other linked to the agriculture sector and the allied sectors. And hence, we decided that we must give some financial support, a welfare scheme for the farmers. But at the same time, we felt that if we give the money directly to individual farmers, we may not be able to achieve productive growth in the particular activity that they do. And therefore, we decided that we will give 5,000 rupees per farmer family, but it will be in the form of groups. Money will be put in the account of the groups. So therefore, if there are 10 members in your group, 10 multiplied by 5,000 is 50,000 rupees in that group. If you are 20 members, you will get 1 lakh. And the idea really is very simple. We as a government and agriculture department has realized that the farmers sometimes don't even have enough money to buy seeds, to hire a vehicle to take their product to the market, to buy plastic pipes to water their plants, to buy tarpaulin to cover their produce, or even put a small shed to protect and store their product. And we realize that these interventions are not very big. There are not lakhs and crores required. If the farmer can get money, the right amount at the right time, it can make a big difference in the amount they're able to produce. And that is why we felt that even if we are able to give 5,000 per family, put it into the account of the group, and the group members can then decide on how they want to use it. Whether this 50,000 will be used for transportation, or you will buy seeds in the market for this money, or you will buy pipes, or whatever the producer group members feel is appropriate. We have decided to give it to the farmers. Now, this amount is not a loan. So a lot of farmers have been asking me, is this amount a loan? Do we have to pay this back? This is not a loan. We will be distributing close to 200 crores. We have started already. We have distributed maybe 30 to 40 crores already. We will be touching 200 crores in the span of 2 years since COVID started. And the second reason why we're doing this, that was the first reason. Second reason why we're doing this is we feel that while the government spends a large amount on government employees, on contractors, because development activity takes place, somehow the farmers are never benefited directly. So we have seen that thousands of crores are gone when we pay teachers, when we pay contractors, when we pay government employees. But direct funding to farmers has never been done. And that is why out of the 14 to 15,000 crores that the Meghalaya government spends every year, we felt that 200 crores to the farmers, 4.5 lakh families is nothing. It's a small amount compared to the large expenditure of 14, 15,000 crores we have every year. And the number of families that we can touch is huge. And that's the reason why we have decided to go ahead with this program. We are hopeful that we'll be able to see good response from the public. And as we see the response, we will work and decide on how to improve this scheme in the coming years. So we are starting this for the first time in the history of our state, and I'm sure in the history of any other state, especially in the Northeast. This may be the biggest farmer welfare program ever in Meghalaya especially, and I think in the Northeast also. No other government has done this, at least in the Northeast. And therefore this is a pioneering scheme, and we intend to take this forward in the long run also. kane kade ka program baning kong do kaba ai jing yarap ya kinomre jong kachila da kaba ai san hazar manwe unomre. So I hope that has given some idea of what we are doing.
Kamu bah fikir macam tengok lagi ni pada ini disungkan. Jadi dia fikir lagi no. Kapan ada ni? Sekarang kita ini kena orang. Tam ini sih buat duit kubisbat. Kena orang ini tidak macam kita orang. Rai nama boleh rumah supply sekarang. Unsing kilo kata pernah. Bisbat kita kita boleh mulai tentang apa? Nangka sampai tadi baru itu kat yang bekas itu. Di pada pun bagi fresh tu begini, isu itu macam hanya di bulan kok. Kebetulan kebalai, kalau hak ini dibentang kebalai di kawasan di Batai, balaku terlalu tinggi gaya pada musim yang bertidur. Dari apa ni hidupkan perkara ini, hidupkan kita sebut kepentingan ini. Tempat musim di orang ini program yang disebut di Balasna di Kingston di Banawai kapolong yang hendak ini kapolong di buat juhud buat serot kalong kejima buat arti ini di orang terbang sebagai di satu wayu kita apa yang mereka bicara dengan ini ia kepakam kehatan ini dari benda yang disebut macam mereka ini kesekian bagi tiga kecil kalau nak terkom bagi dia kasbah rumah bandar. Di kecing kerpan bagi tinggi jemput, lakalong leen, bandurungan ia kampus ia berismian hati bukan di produk. Nak kebetulan kapan dia telah bagi akan pembagi dia kasbah bandar. Tersebut.
Thank you very much for the points mentioned. I'll quickly just clarify. Number one, absolutely this complaint of ration card is coming everywhere. So we are exploring how we could put MGNRNGs, VEC card, job card. So we are seeing there is some complication, but we will try to resolve this. But in the meantime, we will start off with the families that have got the ration card, and slowly we will find out how to include the others who don't have ration card. So we are working on that because this is an issue coming out in many other districts. Products I have mentioned already. This focus program actually allows any producer group. Any group, but then because every district felt that if there are too many, then they will not be able to focus on the actual goal. But poultry, piggery is also allowed. So we will tell your GFs and the other officials concerned that be flexible. So there is no hard and fast rule that you cannot do poultry. There is no rule that says you cannot do any other product. You are free to do, but because the districts want to focus on certain products and areas, they have defined that, but it is flexible. So tomorrow, if your group wants to do some other product, there can be consideration, and I will urge the officials to ensure that you should allow the farmers to choose their product. There are certain things which are difficult, then of course exception can be made, but in general, the flexibility is there. And the last point is that this is a bit slightly complicated. I don't know whether I'll be able to explain it properly or not. But this producer group program that we have is the bottommost program. This is going to affect 4.5 lakh families. Once we do this program, there is another program on top of this, which will be the cooperative society programs. Now we have cooperative societies that are working, and we have, in the last few years, we have spent more than 200 crores in these cooperative societies, and we're going to spend another 300 crores in these cooperative societies, which is now to help the farmers get a better price. Farmers don't get better price for many reasons. It's not just that their market is not available. They don't get it, because market, of course, accessibility is not there. They have problem with transportation. They have problem with packaging. They have problem with processing. They have problem with storage. So because of all these factors, farmers suffer. So we have realized that farmers need to be helped. Cooperative societies need to be formed, self-help groups need to be formed, and entrepreneurs who will do food processing also need to be done. Now, all these different programs and problems that farmers face, for example, storage. Now to provide storage under the IBCS program, Cooperative Societies, we are giving 7 lakh loan to any IBCS who wants interest free, who wants to make a storage place. Then they can, and we are giving them 5 lakh as working capital to buy the product from the farmer. So the farmer does not have to worry about the sale of the product. If the product is there, the IBCS will have 5 lakhs. This 5 lakhs is given as working capital. They will pay the farmer, take the product from them, put it in the storage, and the storage can also be a cold storage also. So very complicated. I don't know whether I'm getting across to everybody or not because of language also.
Phân roi lắm, ai chân lắm, là nông bị quá.